Disassociated TV.
A group known as Concerned Civil Society Organizations in Kogi State has called on Nigerians, especially the youth, to shun the call for a national protest. The group, at a World Press Conference held at the hall of the Nigerian Union of Journalists (NUJ) in Lokoja, Kogi State capital, said the call became necessary in view of the losses the last EndSARS and other protests in other nations has caused. President of the association, Salihu Abubakar Onemisi, said the Concerned Civil Society Organizations in Kogi State is disengaging from the planned protest, which is being sponsored by faceless personalities.
We, the civil society groups under the aegis of Concerned Civil Society Organization in Kogi State, wish to call on Nigerians, especially the youth of Kogi State, not to take part in the ongoing call for national protest in Nigeria. We found it pertinent to advise Nigerians and Kogi youths in particular not to answer the call for any protest anywhere in the state. The Concerned Civil Society Organizations in Kogi State is an amalgamation of over 30 youth groups, women organizations, artisans, and civil society groups. We cannot be led by faceless individuals to protest. It is also important we consider and put into consideration whether the present government should be totally blamed for the current hardship. It is obvious and true that the economy of Nigeria is in a bad state and going through a process of restoration. The nation is passing through one of the hardest periods in history. However, protest is not the immediate solution to our problem. Rather, we continue to engage the government constructively in areas we deem necessary. Fellow Kogi State youth, Nigeria cannot afford a total halt in its economic activities. Due to these planned actions, and the country may not be able to recover from the effects. Countries like Sudan, Libya, and Yemen are completely destroyed to date as a result of the citizens' riots against their governments. Nigeria cannot afford such a situation. We must continue to agitate for the masses in such a manner that it will not add more suffering to what the country is already passing through.
Onemisi, however, put forth requests to the federal government and also called on Nigerians to give their support to the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu-led administration, whom they believe has better plans for the country and her citizens.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is exactly 1 year, 1 month, and 24 days today in office as president. It is therefore fair to give him time to turn things around. We, however, also want to draw the attention of the government to immediately address the following. 1. Tackle the rise in inflation rate, which has risen from 22.8 in 2023 to 34.2 in June 2024. Put an end to insecurity in Nigeria. Ensure adequate food security for Nigerians by securing our farmlands. Reverse the tuition fees of our students studying in higher institutions. Reverse the hike in electricity tariff. Revitalize our refineries to optimal production. Reduce the cost of governance at all levels. The above, if properly put into consideration, will gradually return Nigeria back to the path of progress and prosperity. State governors in Nigeria must also rise up by towing the path of investment into agriculture and security, especially as it is seen in Kogi State by Governor Ahmed Usman Ododo. We hereby stress that if all states can invest more in production than consumption, then the economy will once again bounce back and regain its strength.